Hello everyone, we'll be making this. So first make the fingerprint like this by drawing the lines. Now make the every design on the top of it like this. So make every legs and hands on the top of the fingers. Now draw the lines like this, color it, and then we'll be filling the color inside it. Draw the check lines and jeans and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the fruit foam net, fold it like this and tie it from both sides as shown. Now stretch it little bit by putting a stick. Now put the stick on the top as well by using the papers. Now put the clay like this and press it with the round object. Now make some dots and patterns over it to make different fruits like this. So here we are making a fruit stick. Make the orange like this using the clay and fix it and it's ready. Next, we'll be putting the hand like this of a paper and then fold it like this by fixing a cone in the between. Now put the clay to make the ice cream. Now spread the clay. Now put the paper balls on the top of it like this and spread the clay over it using different colors of your choice. Here we have taken pink and yellow color clay and fix it like this by putting some fruits using the paper. Make some cherries and it's ready. Next, draw the lines like this of a hand by putting in this shape. Now after that, we'll be drawing the body of the dinosaur. Make its eyes, nose and first, and then we'll be drawing its sharp teeth. Now make the humps on its back like this. Now after that, color it using green color and a dinosaur is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking a pink color paper, fold it like this and paste it. Now draw the line like this. Now after that, we'll be taking clay balls like this and apply it on the paper like this. Press it a little bit carefully. You can use different colors and your bouquet is ready. I hope you liked it. Draw the lines like this by putting the hand. Now after that, complete the face of the bunny. Draw its hands and legs like this. Now make it tail on the back, make its cute eyes, nose and mouth. And after that, using pink color, we'll be coloring it like this on the top. Make its ears like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a Christmas tree. So first, we'll be taking a green color paper like this and paste them together. Now make a star on the top and then make its hand like this. Make the gloves on its hand, make its eyes, nose and mouth and decorate it by putting yellow dots like this. You can use different colors and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be putting a glass. Now put the bubble wrap sheet over it and then draw the lines like this and then paste it. Now color it with different colors. Now apply the yellow and white color paper on the side to make the lemonade or the lemon shape like this on the top. Put a straw. Now take a pink color paper, fold it like this and fix it. And it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a pink color paper and then we'll be cutting it into paper strip like this. First fold it and then cut it out. Now we'll be drawing the lines and then we'll be drawing the dots. Now apply the glue and paste them one by one by folding it little bit. Fix few more as such. Now put a yellow color frill paper in the between like this. After that, fix it by drawing the stems and leaves using green color like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a frog. So take a green color paper and then we'll be folding it and put a red one in the between and make its eyes like this. Draw the eyes and then paste them on a sheet. Now draw its hands and legs using black marker like this and your frog is ready. You can put some water under it like this by using the blue color paper and it's done. Next, put the black color stroke like this and then using a sponge, draw the lines like this or dots rather to make the tree. Now put the strokes using the brush. Now apply the fruits over it like this using the clay. Make some apples and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.